What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're out here. It's race day. It's Saturday, Union County Dragway. It's the East Street Outlaws no prep. Now, one of the big things that's happening with this is a water burnout only drag race. So nobody is using glue. The track did come around pretty decent last night. It was kind of amazing. I think they have been doing some races down here in the past months, and they've been allowing glue. So I think maybe a little bit of that glue is just coming back up out of the rubber. There's a decent rubber base here, and it's fun. The track is smooth. It's nice and level for the most part. It's got a little bit of a slope to it, but it is good. We're gonna have a good time. Go to turbojohnracing.com, grab yourself some merchandise, and comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks. Uh-oh, car's not doing like it should. You had a problem. It spun, it wheelied, it broke apart, but it is what it is. Hilton pointed out last week that I say this phrase a lot, but it's no truer words that can be spoken. It is what it is. Go grab yourself a t-shirt. They're available for pre-order now, and they should be shipping mid-April. NC Speed Lab, they're local to us in North Carolina. They're in Whiteville, and they got a lot of parts. They're selling a bunch of tires and stuff down here. So they are also, they got these awesome steering columns, which I just got one from them. These things are freaking awesome. They're lightweight aluminum. This is a Mustang chassis one here, and it's aluminum. They got them powder coated, so they're nice, they're pretty. What else do y'all have the steering columns for?
First gen S10. The second gen S10 is really close. We can probably get one, really close enough to fit the second gen S10. F-body, SN95, box body, of course. We don't have a G-body column yet. We have a factory G-body column. We can use it to pattern and make one. If somebody needs one, we can make that happen. I don't have one yet. So,
right.
Yeah.
Neat little line holder we just started carrying.
Oh, check it out. Oh yeah, that's awesome there.
$5 a piece. Hold your lines up. You can get them dual or whatever.
Nice. That right there will be more safety than zip ties.
Yeah, absolutely.
Little better than
Way better zip tie.
The zip tie alternative.
Right.
So NC Speed Lab, y'all go check them out. Whiteville, y'all got a website too?
Yes, ncspeedlab.com.
ncspeedlab.com. Appreciate it, guys. So check this out, guys, too. This is, they're also doing a head. Small block Ford, what are you calling it?
The Assassin.
The Assassin. Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, it's basically a rotated cannon valve, reverse image. It takes a 2.320 intake valve, a 1.650 exhaust. This port here is 501 CFM at 1-inch lift, and the exhaust is 330 at 1-inch lift.
Oh my God.
Billets are going to be $7,500, and castings will be around $3,800
When are they going to be available?
within the next 90 days.
Wow, that is freaking unbelievable. What's the minimum bore size?
125.
125. I got you.
Doing small block Ford, big block Ford. Yeah, doing block Chevrolet. Eventually, we'll be doing a big block Chevrolet head too. Also doing billet blocks.
Oh, nice. So those are going to be available at NC Speed Lab also.
Yes.
Y'all already got them on the website?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Wait
We're
until
gonna
we
get them
get
in hand.
final everything
Okay.
done, and
I got you.
then
Yeah.
we'll put 'em
I just got the big block completely programmed, and we're working on programming the small block now.
Oh my
Now
goodness.
that is just a real that is a real crude.
Right.
That's a paperweight because the guy messed up on it, so we're just using it to show.
Right. This is just an example
Yeah.
of what is. Wow, that is freaking awesome though, guys. Killer stuff. We just got teched in, so we're ready to go. 16, 17. We're expecting about, what, 50 cars, 55?
I think it was 45 as far as I knew.
Man, this is gonna be a big race. We're gonna have a good time today. A lot of people down here, so we're on the big end. Like I said, this is our first time ever coming to Union. It is a really nice track. We're gonna swap tires. And you see, it's still feathered, but it's not as bad. But we're gonna reverse them. I think we just decided too. I think we may swap tires every pass. This is really smooth coming this way because it's laying down, and then this way is really rough because it's peeling it up. These cool shocks. We're going to do a couple changes. We're going to go So we were on 3 on both of these. I thought we were on 4. But I'm gonna leave compression where it's at. Rebound, we're gonna loosen completely up. And we're also gonna go in here in the high speed bleed or the low speed bleed. And we're gonna loosen that completely up as well to see if we can, since we're not putting much power down, we're trying to make it so that we can, get this thing to separate. So let's do that real fast, real easy. Again, when you're adjusting these, make sure you loosen the middle screw up first. All right, so we're set on this side. So we're doing a lot of changes on this first pass. We're gonna put the tune-up basically like we had at our first pass last night because it was pretty reasonable. But we just also decided last minute to add 80 pounds to the back. So I think that's gonna be a good move. But we will see. All right, here we go. We're gonna go to the driver's meeting now.
A lot of you guys that rode with us before, I'm the flagger for Dig or Die. This is Eric. We run in Donald. You guys behind us, we run Dig or Die. No break. We come to help Chris and them out this weekend. The rules we got: if you cross center line, you're out. Cross front or behind, because if you cross and you're already behind, you're already out of control. We don't want nobody to rig. I know everybody's out here after money. Money's not everything. We can make money every day. Everybody's got a job, so let's go home safe, keep the car in one piece, everybody go home safe. If you jump the light, you're out. This includes a tire crack. Everybody knows what a tire crack is. If you got any forward movement in that car before I bang the light, you're out. Everybody understand that? If you do not want to be bumped in for whatever reason, you can pull to the second line, put your bumper on the second line. Have one of your crew members put your bumper on the second line. Let me know when I'm up there that you're not being bumped in. If you need a bump, let me know. We got a bunch of cars here. I can't keep everybody in my mind, so just let me know every round. I seen one guy, he rode it on his truck in Darlington. One bump. That's fine too. But I just need to know that way I don't do something wrong and you lose a race because of me. I got the final call on the light. Whatever happens on the track, I got the final call and we will video go to the camera if I got questions. $8,400 is 28 cars with small tires.
What did they say the pot was?
84.
84.
We already have a first round call out. Chris Becker in his car and Charles Curry and Patches. 5,000. 3,000 aside.
Woo!
Any more first round call out?
In case we can't win, we're gonna try and get some more.
No more first round call out?
When I pulled up and I saw Goins here, I was like, are you kidding me?
Go ahead, you go first. 454.
Oh, there's Kendall. Hey, y'all, he showed me
What's up, man?
his dragging information last night.
With no black lines.
I'm not going to share it with y'all, but y'all would be very impressed.
It wasn't that fast. Exactly. It wasn't that fast.
That's hilarious. Some bro for all races.
Yeah, they tend to stick, so y'all be mindful when you pull.
Always remember, right chip is red lane, bro. Right lane. Red chip, right lane.
Kendall, what you got? I missed that bear right there, son.
Problem is I'm gonna run big tire too.
Oh, are you running big tires?
So it's at the back of the pack. And
Oh.
Big tire I don't think's very big. So.
Don't fast, step up behind, please.
All right, we're number 7 in the left.
7, step up, please, 7.
Man,
Oh, boy.
Oh,
son. I was trying not to draw a bear first round.
I'm just a cub, baby.
Oh, come on. All right, good luck, sir. Be careful. All right, so here we go. We got to race Sam. He just pushed by. I'm going to go up there. First round coming up, guys.
Here to check the sponsorship.
Yeah, he's following up on the sponsorship, making sure we're good. All right, so here's Jake and Nikki. Jake had the S2000 that crashed beside me at Darlington a couple weeks ago. He rebuilt in, I think, 7 days. And he drew his first round. Nikki, she's driving this one. So one of those two are going to the next round. So that's awesome. This is, Nikki, how many passes have you made in it?
This will be 4.
This is the 4th pass. This is awesome. This is good. Well, good luck, guys. Here's Jake's car. He just got this thing together. He was able to salvage a lot of the parts. He was into S2000, and it's fast. He made some hits last night and made some really good passes. So we're up here. We got 28 cars total. So we got Billy over here. He's racing the Nova.
What's your name? You're always carrying a camera around. Who
I know, YouTube life. Billy understands.
Oh, I understand, because when he walks in the garage every day, it's, hey, what are you doing?
I know, right? Seeing that ever since Bill's done his channel.
Oh my God, he's so grumpy all the time.
That's hilarious.
It was cool when he's walking around filming the old man getting mad. But
Right.
when he's mad, that ain't cool.
Oh, that's funny. The tides have turned.
The ties of
That's funny. That's hilarious. Well, good luck. Hopefully everything's gonna work good. I know y'all made
Where are
some
you?
7th. We're a 7th pair out.
Who'd you draw?
Sam Hood. Is that black Mustang?
What lane you in?
I'm in the left lane.
All I know is you don't want to pick that car.
Oh, the Chicken Hawk.
That one. You don't want that car.
Oh yeah, it's fast. Chicken Hawk
And
is.
she's meaner than hell.
Well, good luck, sir. Hopefully everything goes good.
That's about all the data we got.
All I know is the nitrous cars were whining today. They were like, these turbo cars, it's like roundy round. I mean, pass after pass after pass. And we're worried about running out of nitrous. And
Yeah.
I was like, y'all should have turbo cars,
Yeah, we can turn them right back around.
especially the street stuff. I mean, mine's not, I mean, obviously legit street. But. This is a great view from the starting line way back here. So we got Sam over here, this nitrous car, so he's going to go to the line. I'm going to bump in. Be careful, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good luck. Yep. All right, guys, well, we got out here. We went out first round. We had a good time. I'm going to show y'all the data log, what I did and what did not work. So everything that we were doing, we thought it was going to be better, but it just slowed down a little bit. Didn't slow down much. I just got outrun. Sam down there, he's got a rocket of a car. He jumped out on me, and he was out there. I grabbed a scramble, and I think I stopped the pull, but he outrun me so bad, he run out of the GoPro's life. He run out of the view of the camera. So it was fun, though, but I had a good time. A lot of people that come out today, they come out watching the channel. I appreciate y'all coming out. What's your name? Vincent. Good seeing you. Thank you for coming out. Sorry I was a first round duck today. Hopefully next time we'll be able to go some rounds. So here's the data log from that run. And you can see the red, man, my screen is terrible. Red line is the RPM. This is boost down here. I hit the scramble like at 2.5 seconds in or so. And the car did exactly what I wanted it to. You see there's no shift here. I shifted it a little bit on the early side, but he was gone. He was jumping out on me, and I was like, oh boy, here we go. And by the time we got to the finish line, it had a little bit of tire speed out there at the end, but I couldn't catch him. He was gone. So he's got a very fast car. So we had a good time, though. We're thinking about what we can do. We got a lot of weight in the back of the car. I mean, there's a ton of weight in the back of the car. And he just solidified we're about 2 tenths behind the fastest cars. I mean, because he's going to be one of the fastest cars. So we're a couple tenths back. So one of the problems that we got is we got these strange double adjustable front struts, right? And they're radial valved. And so even on full loose, they're just not coming up fast enough. So we're trying to race in too many classes. That's our problem. We're trying to race in too many classes every weekend. So we got to decide what we're going to do. Clearly the weight is not helping us, how much weight we've got in the back of it. But the biggest problem is we're trying to do too much. So I've got another set of strange struts, but they are regular valved. And so for next weekend I think we're going to put those on. I don't know. Maybe we should just keep struts in the car, in the trailer. I mean, we can change them at the track. We almost need to have the radial ones for like Thunder Valley. And like if we're at a reasonably decent no prep. But then when we're at, I mean, like this, we need something very, very loose. Very loose. So we got to change. I mean, we just have to change so much in between. But that's what we're going to have to do, apparently. But it is what it is. I mean, you know, we're going to have to do what we got to do to be competitive. I mean, being a couple tenths behind out here on this stuff is not going to cut it for us. These are big buy-ins and big purses to race for. We'll regroup and we'll figure out what we're going to do for next week. All right, guys. Well, make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. We will see y'all soon. Later.